SuperBaitTankII. We've got all of our latches. Nice. Hey everybody, Scott Burnett here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing well today. Hope you're having a great day. So here I am in the Carolina Skiff 198 DLV again. My last video, I added a USB port to the console. The video before that, I rewired the whole front, trolling motor, onboard charger, circuits, the whole bit. The next video I have, I'm sitting here on my 30-gallon super bait tank, and I took my leaning post out because there wasn't enough room for this big old bait tank and the leaning posts. So I made this my leaning post bait tank combination. You know, I don't have a tremendous amount of room right here, but I wanted a big bait tank because I do a lot of light bait fishing. So there's my bait tank. As you can see, very hard plastic. So I said, well, I'll try something. So I had a cushion made. I had a flap with some snaps put on it, and I drilled in, put these snaps on there myself. But when you go to fish, you gotta take this guy off here. You gotta unsnap it, take it off, so you can get to your bait. So, dilemma. Well, we're going to try to fix that dilemma today. So if you go on YouTube and watch any videos about boat restoration or anything, any boat additions, you see EVA Foam, which could be like C-Deck or any of those HydroTurf, anything like that. Well, once again, I went cost effective, cheap, and found it on Amazon. This is a snow camouflage pattern, which is silver, white, and black. My boat is white with silver and black. So what I want to do, I want to make a template of the top, because I got three little latches on here. I want to cut the holes out, but I want to make it to where it's nice and round and everything, and there's nothing to snag on. But this ought to have enough cushion on it and be a little grippy so you don't slide off of it. But it'll also allow me to open the tank up. So what we're going to do, we're going to get right here. I got a big cardboard box that I'm going to lay on top of here. Excuse me. Trace out the template. I'll lay a couple of strips of this on here, cut it out. We'll clean it with alcohol and see how good the adhesive is on this stuff. This whole 94-inch roll by 11 3/4, I believe, was $30. So this will give me enough for here, and any other place I want to put some, I may put some right here to have a place to sit down or stand on or whatever. I don't know. But anyway, I hope you get something out of this. Let's get started. See what we can do out of it. All right, got my big chewy dog food box here. What we'll do, we'll try that again. Do that. that ought to have our circle on here. So let me get a knife or a pair of scissors and we will cut this template out. And we'll cut the little knob out here, and then I'll measure to see where I need to cut my other circles out for these right here. We'll do that. Give me just a second. Alright. Put it down here. Okay, I got the template cut out. Got my knob here and got the general shape. I just need to, I'm going to cut it the exact size and then we'll come back and just trim it up just a little bit. So let me put this down on the work table and we'll get 2 pieces of the foam laid out there. 2 of them ought to be just about perfect for this. Let's lay it up here on the tank and see how bad of a job it did. I think it'll look good and be functional too. That was my biggest thing, being functional. The way I had it before, it just was not functional. Alright, so here I am next day. And I've got all the fine trimming done. Probably got a couple little threads here and there of foam. But I believe it turned out well. Everything works. And now I've done some kind of stuff. Everything works. Look there. Everything really looks good. The adhesive has got it stuck down well. Now I would not take on the whole boat by myself. This turned into, you know, I am not skilled at this. This is my first go around doing this. I just wanted to know that I could do it. It's like everything else in life I do. I just want to see if I can. But this turned out really good. I mean, for my first time ever doing this, you know, I got a couple of places I got a little loose on, but I believe it's going to work well. I actually put my leftover piece in the floor right here, covering the wire from my bait tank. I got the bait tank wire going through the rigging tube into the battery back here. And then I'm just running the wire right through here, and then it goes down into the pump, and I got a LED light and the pump and everything. But yeah, and the tank is kind of bolted in there so it doesn't move. Looks good on the console there. So yeah. Alright, would I do this again? Probably so. I would probably do this again just for me, but I would go to some of the YouTube channels like Tiny Boat Nation, Anthony Jones. If you've not watched Anthony Jones do a boat build, holy cow, he is amazing. He's down here in Georgia. But this is inexpensive. If you've got a live well lid or a hatch or something you want to cover up, doesn't look good, this would be a good fit for that. Links for this in the description. And that's about it. Got any questions? I'll try to help you. If not, we'll look it up and I'll send you to other sites and stuff, and they're a lot of help too. That's why we do YouTube. You know, we're here to help people and have fun with it, make a little money. Every bit of the money I make so far has went back into this. Haven't really made anything. So anyway, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell to be notified. If you're on Rumble, do the same thing. So anyway, I just finished work a few minutes ago. I'm going to go get on the weed eater and weed eat around the yard. But I hope everybody's had a great day and a great week so far. But like I always say, until the next video, thanks for watching. Yeah, this is another one of those things I'm going to write down and say I'm not going to do for a living. So, got a big old list.